सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ Page 181, verse 47. Sidan vipro vanikrutya panyaireva padam taret khadgena va padakrantah नश्ववृत्या कथञ्चन। हरि ओम। Lord Krishna talking about the ashrama dharma, having given elaborately about brahmacharya ashrama description. Now he has entered the grihastha ashrama. Grihastha ashrama is the pillar of the society, because brahmachari, vanaprastha and grihastha sannyasi, three ashramas depending upon grihastha. Because brahmachari, while studying, he cannot earn money, therefore he has to depend upon either on parents or on the society. And vanaprastha is also one who is retired almost, not able to do any further activities. Therefore, vanaprasthi also taken care of. If he is a grihastha vanaprasthi, he will be taken care of by his children, not by old age homes, but by his children. And of course, sannyasi also has to be taken care of by the grihastha only, because sannyasi has renounced everything and propagating dharma in the society to the people. Therefore, these three ashramas are taken care of by the grihastha. Therefore, grihastha ashrama is now bearing the weight of three ashramas. One grihastha bearing the whole weight of three ashramas on his shoulders. That is the purpose of grihastha ashrama. So grihastha has to earn money. Earning money is for the sake of family members. He has to provide food, to educate his children. He has to earn money, to have a house and to offer food for others. He needs money. So Shastra tells that grihastha can earn money by doing a profession called vritti. Vritti means profession. Dharma also can be called as profession. I gave three meanings for dharma in previous classes. What were the three meanings I gave? Dharma means one's own duty, also called dharma, and one's own the attitude also can be called as dharma. Values are also can be called as dharma. So dharma is a versatile word. You don't find equal word in English for dharma. This word dharma itself, we the Hindus cannot understand properly. The meaning of dharma changes context to context. So dharma, we can take it as vritti also, one's own duty, that is called profession. Profession also can be called as dharma. Brahmana, grihastha can take Brahmana profession. Yajanam, yajanam. Yajanam, pathanam, all those duties of Brahmana. This is general rule. Vishesha dharma of Brahmana is teaching, propagation of Dharma Shastra, Brahma Shastra to the society. This is general vritti, general profession. That means for Brahmanas, specific vritti. Profession is general for everyone. Because Kshatriya Grihastha also need money, Vaishya Grihastha also need money, Shudra Grihastha also need money. Everyone has to earn money. Grihastha has to take care of other three ashramas, a family, a society. Therefore, generally everyone has to do their own profession. That also specifically given one profession to one varna to maintain the harmony of the society. That Vishesha dharma, Brahmana dharma is teaching, knowledge workers, I said. If Vishesha dharma he is not able to do, he can take up apad dharma. Apad dharma means when you are not able to teach, nobody is there, nobody is performing rituals there in that place. A Brahmana cannot go and do rituals. And nobody is interested in that area, suppose, to learn. Brahmana cannot go and teach. So Brahmana cannot die just like that because my profession is not available here. I cannot do my profession, therefore I can end up my life. Shastra says no. I will give you apad dharma. You should not end up your life when you cannot perform your ashrama dharma, varna dharma. When you cannot perform, I can give an exception for you. That is called apad dharma. Apad dharma means in adversity you can take others' profession also. That is called Vishesha dharma to apad dharma. Samanya dharma is what? Everyone should earn money. Shastra never say don't earn money. Earn lot of money. And Vishesha dharma is what? Your varna dharma, your grihastha ashrama dharma you have to follow. That is Vishesha dharma, specific duties. If that is not possible, apad dharma. But the criterion is here, the vritti you can choose based on your swabhava. First preference is based on your jati, varna, hereditary. From my ancestors it is coming, that profession you take, that is better. You can be skillful. Now suppose a Brahmana priest is going to do ritual. His son also at a very young age goes along with his father and learn from seeing his father. By that 15 years, 16 years comes, he become an expert in that profession. Any profession for that matter. Once they go to that hereditary Vamsha Paramparya Vritti, it is called. Vamsha Paramparya Vritti. You become an efficient person, and there is no cutthroat competition for you. Nobody can come and compete you. You don't have any jobs insecurity. Correct? You can never have job insecurity because you always have demand. If you take hereditary, varna, dharma, vritti, wonderful. Kshatriya can take up Kshatriya dharma, ruling. That's why Raja, son, will become next Raja. The king of the son becomes a next king. So he learned from his father from childhood onwards. That's why Shivaji's son is Shambhaji. Shivaji was a king and his son was also a king later, Shambhaji. Similarly, Uday Singh is a king, his son is Rana Pratap, next king. Then Rana Pratap's son is Amar Singh. Like that, they become an experts in their that vritti, ruling, administration and all. Because they are with their parents from childhood. Varna dharma it is coming. Kshatriya dharma, ruling, administration. Similarly, business also same like that only. Father is doing business, the son also going to see that father's business, this person will become more expert. No competition. Really this Varna Dharma Vritti, how safe for the society. இப்போ எல்லாரும் இன்ஜினியர் படித்து திண்டாடின்னு இருக்க கஷ்டப்படுற ஜாப் இன்செக்யூரிட்டி சுவாமினி ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் முடித்தா நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட்டுக்கு தேட வேண்டியதாச்சு. And working from so many years one company and going to another company. How much turmoil takes place in the mind, you see. When children are growing, educating, at that time he has to change the job. How much pressure is there inside? That is what our children are facing nowadays. At the age of 35, 40, you are searching for another job means how much insecurity it is. That gives stress and strain also. How can I take care of my family, my children, grown up, school, education? How much problem is there? Our ancestors are very intelligent. Understand? We are thinking we are technologically so developed, advanced. Now you understand how much advanced we are here. Almost in US, many people are facing that problem. All our children are facing our problem. And they ask me, Swamini, you do prayer for them. I have to do prayer from here for their job settlement. Every day. Aha, oh, நாங்கள் போனோம் அங்கேயும் ஜாப் செக்யூரிட்டி கிடையாது. இங்கேருந்து அங்கே ஓடி போயிட்டோம். So, this is the present way of job security. But our Shastra says, your Varna Dharma, Jati Dharma, you take profession safe. If not, suppose you don't like that father's profession. What to do? Shastra says, go by your Swabhava, your nature. As your Swabhava, you can select your job, no problem. That's what Drona did. According to his Swabhava, he wanted to teach archery, all those things. And he started joining in that administration also. You can. No, nothing wrong in that. According to your Swabhava, in that what advantage is there? Your Swabhava likes one type of job. If you are doing that, you like it and you enjoy that job and you can do well also in that profession because of your liking. That is good for health, really speaking. But we don't want, because I cannot fetch more money there. My Swabhava will not allow me to go to a job where I cannot fetch more money. So what is that going on now? Money-based job, salary-based, Varna-based gone, Swabhava-based also gone. And they are choosing such a degree, college education, and they are choosing such a type of job where I can earn more money, more salary. This is what we are educating our children. Which company gives more salary, you apply for that company. Who knows that company will close very soon, giving a lot of salary, he has to close his company. So, this type of thinking, no, I want to earn more money, more salary. Everybody wants like that. What will happen? Everyone working for the more salary, more income, that job, that study, only I take. What gives an IT gives more salary. IT profession gives more salary. Therefore, I have to take IT, Indian technology. IT and technology. What technology? Information technology. உங்களுக்கு தான் தெரியும் பார்த்தா எனக்கு தெரியாது. Information technology. ஸோ இன்ஜினியர் படிக்கணும்னா எல்லாம் இன்ஜினியர் இப்போ இன்ஜினியர் எவ்ரிபடி இன்ஜினியர், ஜாப், unemployment problem. Why we don't think this way? Why you are not thinking? Over, Swami. What over? My children already gone to engineer. They are already doing job. Now what to do? At least for your grandchildren's sake you can work now. You cannot work for your children now. You can work for your grandchildren at least. Let them not face such a cutthroat competition, jobs and studies and all. The money-based education, money-based jobs are all not at all good. Why all types of diseases, depression, suppression, stress, youngster, 25-year-old, 30-year-old, why they are facing? At that age they have to enjoy their life. On the other hand, they are under stress. So Shastra says, Apad Dharma, you can change your profession also. But you should not take it as Apad Dharma or profession any time. When there is genuine reason only, you have to take others' profession. The more materialistic you are, you ask for more money, more salary. How a 20-year-old, 25-year-old employee can construct a house, tell me? He is constructing a house. 80 lakhs, 1 crore, 25 lakhs house is constructed. 25-year-old own house. And taking loan. After taking loan, job he has to change. Now you see that tremendous strain that, because I am seeing many of them. One person come like that only. He bought a house like that only. Now he is struggling so much. Because I am seeing those students who are all having this problem, that's why I am talking. This is not my experience. I am a sannyasini. What experience I have in that job problem, that job competition and all, I do not. When they come and they say, I come to know. Understand? So Shastra, Krishna Paramatma, how beautifully in Dwapara Yuga itself he has given advice. If we would have studied this one in a very early age, we would have not forced our children for those type of jobs, that which gives more money. That type of thinking should not come in the mind. Be happy. Whatever you earn, Are you content? Are you happy? Enough. Work in that field only. அப்படி சொல்லணும். That's why for Brahmana Grihastha, what Krishna says, Sidantam, Sidan Vipraha. The Vipra, the Brahmana who is Sidan in adverse situation, he is not able to do his Brahmana Vritti, at that time he can take Vanik Vritya. Vanik means business. Business he can take. Panyaihi apadam taret. Panyaihi means by doing panam. Tamil panam சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? Panam, panna business. By doing that business, he can cross over that adverse situation in the family. Taret. Or khadgenava. Or Brahmana also can take that. Khadga means warfare, rules, regulations. Raja, Kshatriya Vritti. Khadgenava. 47th verse. Second line. Khadga means sword. Sword indicates Kshatriya Vritti. Leadership, ruling, administration, all those he can take. Apadakrantaha. That person who is in adverse situation, Brahmana, Grihastha, can take Vaishya Vritti. Vaishya means business Vritti, Kshatriya Vritti, ruling, administration. But not Shvapacha Vritti. Dog eaters. Dog, the person who is always rearing that dogs, that type of vritti he should not take. That indicates dasa bhava, dasa vritti, slavery, working under someone he should not go. Business person is not working under someone. Raja is also, leader also not working under someone. Of course, Brahmana is also not working under someone. In these three vrittis, they are independent. Shudra vritti is only dasa vritti, like that. That vritti one should not take up. Even Shudra vritti, other than that also there are so inferior vrittis are there. That is Shvapacha vritti. That one should not take. Dasa vritti one should not take. Now we'll go to the next verse, 48. Vaishyavrittya tu rajanyaha. Jivain mrugayayapadi. Charedva viprarupena. Nashvavritya kathanchana. Now for Kshatriya, suppose a Kshatriya Grihastha is in Apada. He is not able to rule his kingdom. He lost his kingdom, suppose. He goes away from his kingdom. What vritti he has to take? He says, Vaishya Vritya. Kshatriya can take next Varna, that is Vaishya Varna's vritti, business. A Kshatriya also can do business. Or Rajan, Vaishya Vritya tu Rajanyaha. Apadi means when adverse situation comes, he can take up Vaishya Vritti or Jivet Mrugayaya. He can survive by hunting. Mrugayaya means by hunting. Akaranta Strilingaha Tritiya Ekavachanam Mrugayaya. Hunting is improper, really speaking. Hunting is a papa karma. But Kshatriyas are permitted to do hunting when they are in adverse situations. They are permitted. Not everyone. Hunting is not a hobby. Hunting we cannot take it as a hobby. But Rajas are permitted when they are in adverse situation. Shastra permits them. Mridayaya apadi jivet. Kshatriya can survive by hunting or by doing business. Charedva viprarupena, or he can, Kshatriya also can live like a Brahmana, viprarupena. Normally, Kshatriya is not allowed for teaching. Pathanam is not allowed. Vipravritti is Pathanam, knowledge giving. Kshatriya also permitted. When, not all the time, when you are in adverse situation only. All these rules for what purpose, everyone can survive without any competition. That is, social harmony is here actually. Now you see business, all are doing business, suppose. So another person cannot survive, no business, he has to close his shop business after some time. Another person earning, and the Sharavana, you see, how much money, where, everywhere his shops are there, Sharavana. In every area he keeps. Government should not allow that. You must have this much only. What will happen to other people? It is wrong actually. And he opened his branches in every area. How other people can survive? That is also Mahapapam. Taking others' food you are taking from their mouth. So in profession also there is some nyaya. In every profession there must be some dharma. Because of lack of this education, people are becoming materialistic. Every profession is like that only nowadays. Doctor also, one place is having hospital enough, no? He opens his branches everywhere. அங்கே ஒரு கிளினிக்கு, இங்கே ஒரு கிளினிக்கு, காலையில் இங்கே, மத்தியானம் அங்கே, சாயங்காலம் இங்கே. என்ன இதுக்கு தேவையா? இன்னொரு டாக்டர் போய் அங்கே வைப்பான். என்ன இருக்கட்டுமே, என்ன பணம் ஆசை, நிறைய பணம். என்ன பொண்ணுன்னு ஆஸ்திரேலியா அனுப்பணும், பையன்னு லண்டன் அனுப்பணும். என்ன பண்ணுறது? எக்கச்சக்கமான பணம் வேணும். That's why the day person become materialistic. Sense pleasures are only the criteria for life. He is more dangerous to the society, harmful to the society. That's why our society always tells us to lead a simple life. By leading a simple life, really you are allowing others to live. They also can survive. They also need food. They also have to educate their children. You have to think about others also. If you do like this, what will happen? Your richness, so rich, so big house, and you keep lot of servants in the house. What they do? What they do, you know? And they threaten this person and take the money and they go away. அதுதான் நடக்கிறது இப்போ. நடக்கிறதா இல்லையா? So at the cost of other person's life, if you want to survive, they always look at you. They are suffering without food, cloth, shelter, and you are overwhelming in your pleasures. They will look at you. They won't get jealousy. They won't get burning sensation in their heart. All that papam will come to you. That's why you are suffering in the hospital. ஆல்வேஸ் எமர்ஜென்சி வார்டில் போயிட்டே வந்துட்டு இருப்பார். ஏன்னா நிறைய எக்கச்சக்கமான பணம் இருந்தால் ஒரே டென்ஷன், ஆங்ஸைட்டி, லாட் ஆஃப் டிசீசஸ்ஸு. இதெல்லாம் நிறைய பணம் வந்து நல்லதுக்காக இல்லவே இல்லை எப்போவுமே. டூ மச் மனி, டூ மெனி ப்ளஷர்ஸ், டூ மச் ஆஃப் கம்ஃபர்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் நாட் குட் அட் ஆல். It spoils the person. And apadi it is allowed. Don't go to others' profession. Live in your own profession. Whatever comes with that, you say, I am content, I am happy. And in that, with that I give dhanam also. Appadi irukkanum. Then you are really living a what? Following human values in artham. These are called human values. Once you know the dharma, all these are not just a philosophy. How to maintain the society harmoniously and how can we live happily, peacefully, these are all methods. Are you seeing that methods here? How to live peacefully, happily, comfortably. For our sake only Krishna says, all Varna people have to listen now. First Varname illiya Swamini. Adi vere case. Brahmana Varna marry Kshatriya, Vaishya. Kshatriya marry Vaishya, Shudra. Vaishya marry Shudra. Alla intermixture. And Kshatriya marries Vaishya, Kshatriya marries Brahmana, Brahmana marries Vaishya. In the category appa idanna ella human category Swamini. Nam ella human beings dane enna varanam irundha enna enna அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடுது. இப்போ இதெல்லாம் பேசவே முடியாது, irrelevant போயிடுது. கிருஷ்ணர் சொன்னதெல்லாம் irrelevant. அப்போ irrelevant-ஆன என்ன ஆகும்னா, யூ cannot do பஞ்சமஹா யஜ்ஞாஸ். அது அப்புறம் வரும் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு. Now look into this. Charet va viprarupena, even he can take brahmana vritti but not swapacha vritti. He should not live with a dasa bhava. Next verse, page number 182. Shudra vrittim bhajed vaishyah Shudra karukata kriyam Krichan mukto nagarhena Vritrim lipseta karmana. Human mind is a very, very sheepish mind. They don't want to think. இப்படி இதெல்லாம் படிக்கணும்னா திங்க் பண்ணணுமா இல்லையா? நிறைய திங்க் பண்ணணும். நாங்கள் எல்லாம் இதெல்லாம் திங்க் பண்ண மாட்டோம் சுவாமினி. வேண்டாம் எங்களுக்குன்னா அது என்னென்ன கும்புலோ கோவிந்தான்னு சொல்லுவான். sheepish mentality enna, those days people used to wear bell bottom, you know, bell bottom gottam pant மாதிரி ரொம்ப லூஸாக இருக்கும் நொடங்க மாதிரி. அந்த லூஸ் பேண்ட் எதுக்கப்பான்னா, ஒன்ஸ் அப்பான் ஏ டைம் ஏதோ ஒரு பர்சனுக்கு எலிஃபென்டியாசிஸ் ஹேஸ் கம். எலிஃபென்டியாசிஸ் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறது, ஒரு காலுக்கு அந்த போத காலன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அந்த கால் வந்து தெலுங்கில் போத காலன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அது ஒரு மஸ்கிட்டோ பைட்னா அந்த எலிஃபென்டியாசிஸ் வரும். கால் வந்து எலிஃபெண்ட் லெக் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அப்போது தட் பர்சன் வாட் ஹி டிட்னா, ஹி ஸ்டிச்டு ஹிஸ் பேண்ட் பட் ஒன் லெக் சேக் ஹி கேனாட் ஸ்டிச் லூஸ்லி. another leg is very thin ன்னா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்காது. அதனால் ரெண்டு காலு அந்த பேண்ட் ஈக்குவலாக லூஸாக வச்சுட்டான். அதுதான் பெல் பாட்டம். அதுக்கு அவனு வச்சுனான்னா இவனை பார்த்துட்டு அதர் பர்சன் இவன் பெல் பாட்டம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டான். பெல் பாட்டம் ஏன் பண்ணுறான்னு தெரியல அவனுக்கு. அது மாதிரி இப்போ என்னன்னா ஷோக்கு ஜீன் பேண்ட்ஸில் ஓட்டையாக இருக்கும். அந்த நீ ஜாயிண்ட் கிட்ட ஒரு ஓட்டை, தை கிட்ட ஒரு ஓட்டை, ஆங்கிள் காஃப் மசில்ஸ் கிட்ட 3 ஓட்டை இருக்கும். ஒரு ஓட்டை யூ ஆர் நாட் அட்வான்ஸ்டு. 2 இருந்தான்னா யூ ஆர் லிட்டில் பிட் அட்வான்ஸ். 3 ஓட்டை இருந்தால் மோர் அட்வான்ஸ்டு யூ ஆர். அது என்னதான்னு தெரியாது. அந்த ஜீன் பேண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி தான் போட்டுக்கிறாங்களோ. ஈவன் கேர்ள்ஸ் அண்ட் பாய்ஸ் போத் ஆஃப் தம் wearing clothes for what purpose? To close the body or to open the body? To show the body. And blouses also. Wearing the blouse to close the body or to show the body. Now the blouse you cannot see. Only pieces you can see. Not blouse. What is the dress? Backside open, hands open. என்னதான் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னு தெரியல. That means no common sense. Clothes are given, we are wearing to close our body from heat and cold, and to, as a respect, to protect the body, decency. So people do not know what they are doing. Hair also like that, hairstyle also like that. And hair different colors, nails different colors. எல்லாம் இமிட்டேஷன். இமிட்டேஷன் தான் நல்லது பண்ணக்கூடாதோ. Now is it thinking or non-thinking? You tell me. Non-thinking தானே. See, be proud to wear your own costumes. You need not imitate anyone. You can be happy with your costumes, what you are wearing. Be proud of that. I need not worry what people think. எதுக்கு திங்க் பண்ணணும்? இது ஆபதியில் தான் இந்த வர்ணமே சொல்லியிருக்காரு பாரு. விருத்தி, யூ ஹாவ் டு சேஞ்ச் த விருத்தி இன் ஆபதி. ஒன்ஸ் தட் ஆபத் ஓவர், யூ ஷுட் நாட் கண்டினியூ இன் தட் விருத்தி. See the warning here, second line. The first line is for now Brahmana vritti visa apad dharma vritti. He can take Kshatriya Vaishya vritti. And Kshatriya, if he is in apad, he can take Brahmana vritti and Vaishya vritti. Over. Now Vaishya is in apada, suppose. Business he is not able to do. Suppose. What to do now? He can take Shudra vrittim. First line. Shudra vrittim bhajet Vaishyaha. Vaishya can take Shudra vritti. What is Shudra vritti? Working under someone. Service. He can take up Shudra vrittim. Or Shudraha. Suppose Shudra is in trouble. Apadi. What he can do? Karu katadikam. Karu katakriyam. Karu means mat weavers. You know mat weavers. On the road footpath, the curtains mat with vedru and the which bamboos. This the mat that is called mat weavers. They are called. Mat weavers are all called lesser than Shudra vritti. Lesser than Shudra vritti, that is. So Shudras can take up that vritti. If you go to that C.P. Ramaswamy road, you can see the people, mat weavers. Karu katakriyam. Mat weavers profession, Shudraha can take up. All over now. Then what? Krichan muktaha. Once he is free from that adversity. That adversity has gone. Now he has got an opportunity to teach his own profession. He can take up his own profession. Once a person is free from adversity, Krischat muktaha. Then what? Garhena vritti Garhena karmana vrittim na lipseta. He should not live in others' profession. That is a warning. Garhena means that is criticized. For Brahmana, Kshatriya Varna, Vaishya Varna, Shudra Varnas, they are criticized. A Brahmana is not supposed to do anything. That's why teaching any subject, teach. That is Brahmana's profession. You can start a tutorial college if you are not able to get nothing wrong in that. No one can come and compete you because you are so brilliant, knowledgeable, you are teaching very nicely. Everyone will come to you for learning. Tutorial college, tuition center, what is wrong in that? Brahmana can teach. Garhena means once apad goes away, adverse situation goes away, if you follow other varna vrittis, it is wrong. நம்ம ஆபத்து இல்லாமலே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க இப்போ எல்லாருமே. அசலி இது இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் எடுக்கணுமா எடுக்கக்கூடாதான்னு தோன்றது இல்லையா? ஏன்னா it is creating guilt in all of you, I know that. Many of you, it is creating guilt. Whether it creates guilt or not, it is not, Krishna is not going to bother. Krishna says, for the sake of harmony of the society, if you follow this method, it is good for you only. It is good for you only. Okay. Na garhena vrittim lipseta. Lipseta means labdhum ichha lipsa. Tena lipseta. He should not, desiderative form, labhudhatu. He should not take up those karmas, professions. Once apat, adverse situation goes away, he should not take others' profession, other varna profession. So, next. Now with this grihastha ashrama and grihastha vritti for all varnas over. Now he comes to, if in grihastha ashrama, this is the first dharma of grihastha ashrama. He has to follow his grihastha dharma. He has to do that duties. Apart from the second part of grihastha ashrama, regularly, apart from your vritti, your regular profession, you have to do Panchamaha Yajnas, second part of grihastha ashrama. You should live in such a place where you can do all Panchamaha Yajnas every day. Don't live in that society where you cannot do Panchamaha Yajnas. What are they? This is the one sloka which talks about all Panchamaha Yajnas. You don't find anywhere in any text where all Panchamaha Yajnas comes in one verse. Let us read now. Vedadhyaya svadha swaha balyanyadhyai yathodayam deva pitru devarshir pitrubhutani वर्षिर पितृभूतानि मद्रूपाण्यन्वहं यजेत मद्रूपाण्यन्वहं भजेत. Very, very important verse. After talking about the first part of grihastha ashrama, now Krishna Paramatma enters the topic of Panchamaha Yajnas. Pancha means 5, Yajnas means rituals or duties, activities. Maha means big, great and artha. What are they? Number 1, Vedadhyayana, Vedadhyaya. There are gaps. Vedadhyaya, Swadha, Swaha, Bali, all there are gaps up above that. There are one sentence. There should not be gap. It is one compound. Up to balir balyanyadhyaihi, a compound sentence. Vedadhyaya means Brahma Yajna. One should study minimum Bhagavad Gita. One should study their own Veda, which Veda they belong to. Rigvedi has to study Rigveda, Yajurvedi has to study Yajurveda. At least Rudra Parayanam daily. At least Bhagavad Gita, 750 slokas. Every day one has to study. Introduce that in your house now. நான் சொல்லலை, கிருஷ்ணர் சொல்கிறார். கிருஷ்ணாஸ் ஃபோட்டோஸ் இருக்கும் எல்லா இடத்துலையும் வீட்டில். பட் none of us follow Krishna's what? Krishna's message. Everyone should read Gita Parayanam every day. Once Parayanam over, then you have to study the meaning. Vedadhyaya. Because Upanishad belongs to Veda, Bhagavad Gita belongs to Upanishad, Upanishad belongs to Veda. இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் காம்ப்ரமைசிங் மேனர். நான் அதே படிக்கலை சுவாமி. என்ன படிக்கிறேன்னா ஆனந்த விகடன் படிக்கிறேன்னா. குமுதம் ஆனந்த விகடன் படிக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்ல. யூ கேன் ரீட் குமுதம் ஆனந்த விகடன் ஆர் துக்ளக்கு ஏதோ யூ கேன் ரீட். பட் இது கூட கொஞ்சம் படிப்பா. அதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ஏதோ மைண்ட் ரிலாக்ஸேஷனுக்கு படிக்கிறேன். இது விதி. துக்ளக்கு படின்னு விதி கிடையாது. ஆனந்த விகடனும் படின்னு விதி கிடையாது. குமுதம் கண்டிப்பாக படிக்கணும் டெய்லி எனக்கு விதி இருக்கா? If you don't read also, no problem. Really, if you don't read only, it's better. நான் சொன்னதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் நல்ல மேகசைன்ஸ், அதை விட இன்னும் கெட்டதெல்லாம் இருக்குது. அதெல்லாம் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கான் நிறைய பேர். தேவையில்லாதில்ல ஆல் நாவல்ஸு எல்லாம் அன்னெசரி அன்வான்டட் லிட்ரேச்சர், அன்ஹெல்தி லிட்ரேச்சர். So Swadhyaya every day Brahma Yajna is must. Rishi Runam ade Brahma Yajna Rishi Yajna ade Bhagavad Gita chanting. Brahma Yajna means Brahma means Veda. Yajna means Yaj Dhatu, Yaj Pujayam. All 5 Panchamaha Yajnas are 5 types of puja. Yaj Pujayam. From Yaj only Yajna has come. Yajna means worshipping. Worshipping in the form of what? Brahma Yajna. By chanting, learning every day. Vedadhyaya, number 1. So I offer namaskaras to that Vedana. Vagdevi. Vagdevi means Saraswati, Vani. That Vak, Vacha, Shabda, Veda, I do namaskara, my salutations to her every day. Then second one is Swadha. Swadha means Pitru Yajna. Pitru Yajna one has to do every day. Every day means what? Remembering ancestors once in a year, either live or passed away. We have to offer our pranams, namaskars to them. Those who are passed away, for them we do Shraddha Karma. Those who are live, we do namaskara to them and we respect them and we serve them. That's called Pitru Yajna. If anyone violate Pitru Yajnas, they will get Pratyavaya Papam. Pratyavaya Papam means omission Papam. If you omit that Pitru Yajna, fathers ki 1 year அப்புறம் பெரிய ஸ்ரார்த்தம் வரும் இல்லையோ அது பண்ணணும். பையன் வரமாட்டான், அமெரிக்காவில் இருக்கான் பெரிய பையனு, இந்த சாஸ்திரிகள் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க, பெரிய பையன் வந்து பண்ணாதான் அது பண்ணணும். That elder son is not having belief in Shraddha Karma and all. And the second son has got lot of belief in that Shraddha Karma. Suppose. என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னா, can I do, this second son is asking, can I do on behalf of my brother? No, அது பண்ண பலம் வராதுன்னு சொல்கிறார். And the elder son says, அமெரிக்காவில் இருந்து I cannot come because it is too hot in India. என்ன பாருங்க எப்படி சொல்கிறாங்க. என்னோட பையன் அமெரிக்காவில் இருக்க சுவாமி. அந்த அம்மா அமெரிக்கா அனுப்பி எப்போ 30 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அனுப்பிட்டான் அந்த அம்மா. அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு தெரியாது, அந்த அம்மா போயிட்டான். இப்போ பாவம் இந்த பையன் இப்படி நினைப்பானே அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு தெரியாது. அப்போ 30 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி இப்படி திங்க் பண்ணுறான் பெரிய பையன். பிரத்யவாய பாப்பம் வரும். நாட் ஓன்லி தட், திஸ் பர்சன் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜெனரேஷன்ஸ், தென் ஜெனரேஷன்ஸ் தட் வில் எஃபெக்ட். Some problems the children will born, grandchildren will born with some problem or other. கண் இல்லாமலையோ, காது இல்லாமலையோ, மூளை வேலை பண்ணாமலையோ, ஏதோ ஒரு தகராறில் பிறப்பான். ஏன் அண்ணா, எதுக்கு இப்படி அண்ணா? நீ பித்ருக்கர்மா பண்ணலன்னு சாஸ்திரம் சொல்லுறது. I don't believe in whether they are eating or not. I don't believe. Why we have to waste this money? And the orphanage கிட்ட போய் கொடுக்குறேன்னா it won't work. Whether they are eating or not, how do you know? They are not eating, can you prove? They are not taking this Shraddha Pinda Tarpanas, they are not taking. How do you know? Can you prove? Suppose he demands, how do you know they are taking, consuming that? How do you know? If he asks, I am asking. The second son is asking. How do second son? I will tell him. He has to ask. நான் சொல்லலை, சும்மா சொல்கிறேன். இதெல்லாம் என்னோட கதை. கதை என்ன, ஃபுல்லாக கதை இல்லை, ஹாஃப் கதை ஹாஃப் நிஜம். கதை இல்லை, நிஜம். என்னென்ன, the second son should ask the elder brother, do you know that they are not receiving that? Can you prove that? Elder brother can ask the second brother, can you prove that they are consuming? Suppose he asks, he can also ask, can you prove they are not receiving? கேட்கலாமா இல்லையா? దానికి దీనికి సరిపోయింది. Whether they are receiving it or not, whether they are born, taken another body or not, we do not know, but Shastra Vidhi is there. If you do that, it is like a Guna Adhanam. Guna Adhanam means Mala Nivritti and Guna Adhanam. You have to remove the impurities of Janma Janma Papa Virkalla Ponme. Adi ella poyidum Panchamaha Yajnas. Panchasuna Grihastasya Panchayagnena Vinashyati. Ninga நம்பிக்கை இருக்கே அது இல்லையா இது இல்லையான்னு எனக்கு ஐ டோன்ட் பாதர். சாஸ்திரம் சேஸ் பண்ணியா சரி பண்ணு, இல்லைன்னா உன்னை இஷ்டம். பிரத்யவாய பாபம் வரும். அப்புறம் நீங்கள் எல்லாம் அந்த கஷ்டங்கள்லாம் வந்தால் லேட்டர் ஆஃப்டர் 2-3 decades if you worry, it will not come back. The loss is loss. மூளை வளராது, ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும் வீட்டில் எப்போவுமே. ஏன்னா அந்த பித்ருக்களுடைய ஆசீர்வாதம் உனக்கு கிடைக்காது. அது பண்ணினா உனக்கு நல்லதுன்னு சாஸ்திரம் சொல்கிறது. அதில் உனக்கு என்ன கஷ்டம்? நிறைய கஷ்டம் இருக்குது சுவாமின்னு. Then you have to face all these things. Shastra Vidhi. Then Swaha means Deva Yajna. Deva Yajna, Indraya Swaha, Varunaya Swaha. There we say Swaha, offering to Devatas, Indra Devata, Varuna Devata, Agni Devata. That is called Deva Yajna. Everyday puja, minimum puja at home. Everyday puja, arati, flowers, offering, நைவேத்தியம் இருந்த வீட்டில் அந்த வீட்டில் இருக்கிற குழந்தை வந்து ஹெல்த்தியாக இருப்பான். மென்டல்லி ஹெல்தி, ஃபிசிக்கல்லி ஹெல்தி. Then only it becomes a temple, home. House you can convert into home when you do Deva Yajna. It is a temple. At home temple, he comes out, he comes as a healthy child. வீட்டில் ஒரு மணி ஓசை கரெக்டாக மணி ஓசை அது வந்தால் all evil forces will go away. They have to play and show the arati. That arati when you show, the karpura vasanaki, all virus, bacteria will go away. Karpura enna aushadam adu. Agarbatti, smell, all this gives a lot of, even your flowers and the smell stimulate your brain cells. Why puja every day with a lot of flowers which gives more fragrance? More flowers are there, lot of agarbatti, karpura vasana irukku, அந்த வீடு எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஒரு தெய்வீகமான ஒரு டெம்பிள் மாதிரி இருக்கு. அண்ட் உடம்புக்கு நல்லது, மனசுக்கு நல்லது. And all your brain cells, smell cells irukana, ella stimulated. Brain gets stimulated. அதுக்கு தான் சாப்பாடு கூட நல்ல வாசனையாக கமகமகமாக இருக்கணும்னு சொன்னான். இப்போ கமகமாக இல்லை சுவாமி, நீ என்ன பண்ணினாலும் வாசனையே வரமாட்டேங்கிறதுனா எல்லாம் தேர் புட்டிங் பெஸ்டிசைட்ஸு. என்ன வாசனை வரும்? வீட்டில் பழம் வச்சா நல்ல வாசனை வரும் முன்னாடியெல்லாம். இப்போ வாசனையாக வருது இல்லைன்னா எல்லாம் பெஸ்டிசைட்ஸ் தே புட்டு வாசனை வராது. ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ won't come give வாசனை. அந்த வாசனைங்கிறது ஸ்டிமுலேட்ஸ் த பிரெயின் செல்ஸ். இதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஹைஜின் எல்லாமே ஹெல்தி பர்பஸ் சேர்க்கணும். அந்த மணி ஓசை வந்தால் வீட்டில், அந்த ரசம் வாசனை வந்தால் வீட்டில், அது நல்ல வீடுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஆமாம், அதுக்கு தான் வாசனைக்காக இந்த கொத்தமல்லி கருவேப்பிலை எல்லாம் போடுவான் சாப்பாடெலாம். எதுக்கு போடுறான்னா சும்மாவா? பிகாஸ் இட் ஸ்டிமுலேட்ஸ் த பிரெயின் செல்ஸ். அந்த வாசனை, அந்த இலை பறிக்கும் போது வாசனை வரும், அந்த பூ கையில் எடுக்கும் போது வாசனை வரும். இமீடியட்லி இட் ஸ்டிமுலேட்ஸ் யூ ஆர் நாட். இந்த லில்லி ஃப்ளவர்ஸு, அந்த மாலை சும்மா ஐ புட் இன் தட் துவாரம், இட் இஸ் எவ்ரிபடி இஸ் கம்மிங். என்ன சுவாமி கல்யாணம் வீடு மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னா ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, சப்தம் கிடையாது, மேளம் கிடையாது, ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அந்த வாசனைக்கு அந்த ஸ்டிமுலேட்ஸ் எங்கேயோ போகிறது அந்த வாசனை. It goes and spreads to the air, carries the smell. And the mani osai, the shabdam, air carries to the whole street. Neighbor of my, where I stay, every day morning mani osai comes. It is so nice to listen that. And chanting some mantras, so nice to listen that. And another house, agarbatti smell vandidu kaalaile. It's very nice to smell that. All these are Daiva Yajna மூலமாக தான் நடக்க முடியும். That is called Swaha. Either elaborate அக்னிஹோத்திரம், அக்னிஹோத்திரம் பண்ணும்போது வாசனை பார்த்தாடு எப்போ அது எவ்வளோ நல்ல வாசனை வரும் தெரியுமா? Because they put lot of twigs in that. அந்த twigs smell ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். Because they pour ghee also, it gives nice smell. All this stimulates our brain cells. Swaha said. Then what? Bali. Bali means Bhuta Yajna. All animals, plant kingdom, all comes under Bhutam. And other beings, other than human beings, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, insect kingdom, bird kingdom, all these are all. Tulasi, Arasamaram, Vepamaram, all are we worshipping because they are good for health. Every house Tulasi, Tulasi Puja, it is a herbal like Tulasi Dalam. And birds also, and cow. All these available where? In India only. Therefore, don't go to Abu Dhabi and all. If you go to Abu Dhabi, என்ன பஞ்சமகா யஜ்ஞம் பண்ண முடியும்? எல்லாமே பண்ண முடியாது. நீ அகரபத்தி வச்சு அவனை கோர்ட்டு போய் கேஸ் ஃபைல் போட்டுப்போம். யூ கேனாட் புட் அகரபத்தி and all. மணி ஓசைன்னா they will give arrest warrant. Live in such a place where you can do Panchamaha Yajnas. Don't go to that place where you cannot do Panchamahayagas. So what? Next week I will tell you. If I don't do, what will happen? Manusha Yajna also, Adipadat, Annat, Manusha Yajna included. The more in the next class we'll see. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi